Hi, and welcome to my channel Skilldouble. I know why you all are here because you want to know, about concatenate and text join and how it can be used in Excel and what is the difference between these two particular functions. This is what we are going to understand in this video. So stay tuned till the end. So I have already got two examples, one for concatenate and another for text join. Entered the formulas for the functions as well for both the function so that it would be easier for us to understand and the explanation goes in a much better way. So concatenate is the function, and how this particular function is written is you have to use a bracket. You have to open the bracket and then select the cells from which you want to concatenate the information. So like Emma Johnson, if I want to put it together, I can use this concatenate function and it will combine both of them. Uh, but you would see that there is no space in between Emma Johnson. We'll get back to this after I take you all through text join. But we have combined both the values Emma and Johnson here with the help of concatenate function. Now, in the scenario of text join, you have to use text join function, and then you have to use delimiter. That is, if you need a space in between, so you have to just put inverted commas. If you want to put a comma in between, you can use comma in between. All right, and it will show up like this. But if you just want a space, make sure you just have inverted commas and a space in between, and it will give a space in between first name and the last name. So this is how text join is used, and text join is different from concatenate because it will allow you to select a particular range of cells. It can ignore the empty because that is the next part. Like the first part is the delimiter that we have used here, right? And if we ask it to ignore the blank cells, it will ignore the blank cells, and then there would be, and it would take the cells which have information like Emma and Johnson it have taken, and it will separate based on the delimiter that we have given, like this. Okay, if you don't want any space and if you want it same how it is in the concatenate example, you can just remove the space in between inverted commas. Now, if you want space in between, yes, you can put a space between the inverted commas, and here too you can create a delimiter by again using inverted commas, put space in between and click enter. Now you can see space in between Emma and Johnson, the first name and the last name. So the best thing over here in text join is it by default will have a delimiter inside the function itself. So you will remember to put that space or comma or full stop, whatever is needed as a delimiter initially. The next thing is it can take a range of cells. So just to show you how text join would be beneficial if there are values in multiple columns. Uh, let's put here Chloe and Smith here. So do you notice it's taking up like the information from here and it's joining the values, and the delimiter, that is the separation value, is just a space, so it's properly giving space as well. Now let's assume if I just need a comma in between, so I will put a comma and enter. Say it gave comma in between. So this is how useful this function is, and it can be very flexible with regards to entering more data, and it takes up a delimiter that you have given it that has to be in between. Concatenate will ask you, cell by cell details, right? You have to put the cell details one by one by putting a comma in between. So from the usage point of view, I would recommend that if you are not familiar with text join, start using text join because it is much more useful than the concatenate function, and it's a new function that Excel has. I hope this particular video was helpful to you and you gained some knowledge. If yes, then please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, then share this video to your friends or colleagues, and also do not forget to like my channel and subscribe it. This will help my channel to grow and it will reach to more people. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.